Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get back text messages on Android. Let's start. First of all, open up the settings. Scroll down in settings and click on System Settings. Then scroll down in System Settings and click on the Backup and Reset option. Now from Google Backup, tap to turn off and turn on the automatic restore. Then tap to disable the backup data if you want to. You can also use the option to reset phone. Once you restart your device, it will be ready to set up your Android with your saved backup. Do the basic setup of your device, including connecting to Wi-Fi. When you see the option appear, select Can't Use Old Device. Then log into the account where your backup was saved. After that, choose the backup you want to restore. Wait for the backup to be loaded onto your device. Once it's done, your data that was saved in your backup will be restored to your device. Open your Messages app and the text you wanted to recover will be here if they were in the backup. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explains me how we're solving new problems every day.